Does anybody know who that is doing the bump, 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 or the blah, blah, blah? Hello, CQDX, CQDX 750 Cincinnati, calling CQDX. For contact, please QSY 39539. CQDX 750 Cincinnati, standing by. Let me move this out of your way. Alright, lay back down. Now you've got plenty of room to lay down.
South Carolina, 305 Magnolia.
Where's my phone?
Hello, dear. 305 Magnolia, standing by. Magnolia. Give me a bad super. Have a great day, 305 on the side.
Hello, CQDX, CQDX 750 Cincinnati, calling CQDX. For contact, please QSY 39539. Station here in Mississippi, 750 Cincinnati, calling. Copy on that, sir. You're sounding good here. You give me about a 5x6, 5x7. I got bleed over from channel 6, but you're coming on through it there, Roger. All right, 357. A bunch of frequency is busy, so we'll say 73s to you, and remember to stay safe. 750 Cincinnati said it. We'll see you now. Have a great day. Bye-bye. 343. Sorry about that. Have a great day. 73s.
711. Have a great day, 305 on the track.